Dr. Bop, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm hopping around in the mud.
He's making a mess, and he's all dirty.
It's Drs Bop and Pop. The fun and learning never stops. Join Drs Bop and Pop. While we play, we'll learn a lot.
Hey guys, I'm Dr. Bop.
And I'm Dr. Pop.
And we're
Drs Bop
Bop
and Pop.
And I'm really dirty.
You know what you need to do? You need to take a bath.
You're right. There's a special word that is related to taking a bath. It's called good hygiene.
Hygiene.
That's it, hygiene.
Hi guys! I want to make something today. What should I make? What's that? A cake? I love cake! Oh, my mom's gonna be so excited. Let's go make a cake together. Come on! Hooray! It's my cake! It's done!
Hey guys, I'm Mr. Hygiene.
Hi, Mr. Hygiene!
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, not too much. I just made a beautiful cake.
Look at that cake. It looks so delicious.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. What?
Oh no!
What is it, Mr. Hygiene?
Do you see what happened?
No, what is it? It's just my cake. What do you mean?
Do you guys see what happened? There's flour on your hat, and on your nose, and on your cheeks, and on your hair, and your shirt, and your hands. It's everywhere.
Oh no, what should I do?
What can she do? I know. Take a bath.
That's a great idea.
All right. Hey, that cake was delicious.
Oh, thanks. I made it with my mom. I feel so much better now that I'm all clean.
That's awesome. High five. Did you clean your nose?
Uh-huh.
How about your mouth?
Yup.
And your ears?
Oh, yeah.
And your hands?
Yup.
And your toes?
Yup.
And everything in between?
Yup.
All right!
Woo!
All right. Why don't we listen to the Mr. Hygiene song and then listen to Splish Splash?
Yay!
Hygiene is really important. And if you have good hygiene, you fight away all the bad germs that could possibly make you sick. And it helps keep you stay protected.
I really like that. But what can we do to maintain good hygiene?
Well, to have good hygiene, you gotta wash your hands, brush your teeth, clean your hair, clean all the different body parts on you. And the best way to do that is to
Take a bath.
That's it, take a bath. All right, I love taking baths.
Me too.
What's your favorite part?
Well, I love rubber duckies. And I really love the bubbles.
Me too, I love the bubbles. They make different shapes and they float around and you can even make a mustache out of a handful of bubbles.
Yeah, and it's very, very important that if you're in the bath, to always have a grown-up there.
So it's really good to have a grown-up there to help you out.
Always maintain safety.
I think it's a good time to talk about our song, Splish Splash.
Sounds good to me.
Wait a minute, before we go, remember, I'm Dr. Bop. B-O-P.
And I'm Dr. Pop, and that's P-O-P.
And we're Drs Bop and Pop. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Pop, and we got a special guest. Come on over here. Don't be shy. Look who it is, Little Bob. Say hi, everybody. So what are we talking about today?
Splish Splash.
That's right, Splish Splash, which is a song all about
Bath.
taking a bath. That's right. It's really important to be really clean and have good hygiene. Can you say hygiene?
Hygiene.
That's right, hygiene. It's all about being really clean so that germs don't get in your way. And with coronavirus all around town, it's really important to have good hygiene. And so to have good hygiene, you gotta take a
Bath.
That's right, a bath. So why don't you join us, Dr. Bop, Little Bop, and Dr. Pop, and the rest of the Bop and Pop family as we sing the song called
Splash.
Splish Splash! Come on! Oh, hold your nose.
It's Drs Bop and Pop. The fun and learning never stops. Join Drs Bop and Pop. While we play, we'll learn a lot.
Hey, Baby Bop and Little Bop. You too, Little Pop. It's time to take a bath.
Okay, Mom. Oh, splish, splish, splash. I love taking baths. Keep my legs underwater. Oh, the water's warm and the bubbles. I love the shapes and foam. Oh, splish, splish, splash. I love taking baths. Oh, splish, splish, splash. I love taking baths. Clean my ears, clean my nose, my tummy and my toes. Clean my hands, clean my feet, anywhere I please. Oh, splish, splish, splash.